Hello and welcome to Drishti IAS special series of Places in News, targeting Prelims 2020. In this series, we will be covering all the important places that have been in news in the past 1.5 years. In this episode of series, we will be covering the important seas. Looking at Mediterranean Sea first. Mediterranean Sea has been in news for the last couple of years because of climate change. Climate change has been posing a serious threat on its overall ecosystem. It has also been in the news due to intercontinental migration caused by a tense geopolitical environment in the Middle East and Northern Africa. The Mediterranean Sea is an intercontinental sea that separates Europe from Africa. It is known as the sea between the lands and also often referred as incubator of Western civilization. From west to east, Mediterranean Sea extends from the Strait of Gibraltar, which lies between Spain and Morocco, to the Gulf of Iskenderun in Turkey. And from north to south, it extends between Croatia and Libya respectively. The Mediterranean Sea is connected to the Black Sea through a Strait of Dardanelles, Sea of Marmara and Bosporus Strait. It is connected to the Red Sea by the Suez Canal. The sea is completely surrounded by lands. These countries, starting from the Strait of Gibraltar in clockwise direction, are on the northern shore Spain, France, Monaco, Italy, Slovenia, Croatia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Montenegro, Albania, Greece, and Malta. On the eastern shore, the countries are Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, Egypt, and Cyprus. The countries on the southern shore are Egypt, Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, and Morocco. In addition, the Gaza Strip, the British Overseas Territories of Gibraltar, and Akrotiri and Dhekelia have coastlines on the sea. Major islands in the sea are Sicily, Sardinia, Cyprus, Corsica, Stromboli, and Crete. Sicily is known for its highest active volcano in Europe, Mount Etna. Stromboli is also an active volcano. There are other seas and water bodies which can be considered extensions of the Mediterranean Sea. These are Alboran Sea, Balearic Sea, Ligurian Sea, Tyrian Sea, Ionian Sea, Adriatic Sea, and Aegean Sea. Major rivers that drain into the Mediterranean Sea are Rhone, Po, Drin, Bujana, Nile, Mridetwa, Ebro, and Tiber. The climate of Mediterranean Sea can be described as windy, mild, wet winters and relatively calm, hot, dry summers. Mediterranean climate is also prevalent in California, central Chile, Western Cape of South Africa, and Western and Southern Australia. Local winds that cross over to the sea are cold winds such as Mistral, which passes through Alps and the lower Rhone Valley from northwest, Levanter, which is an easterly wind passing through the Strait of Gibraltar, and Bora, blowing from northeast. While on the other hand, hot winds such as Sirocco and Khamsin blow from hot Saharan desert and Arabian Peninsula respectively. The nations surrounding Mediterranean Sea promote cooperation and dialogue through intergovernmental organization named Union for Mediterranean. It is headquartered in Barcelona, Spain. Now looking at Red Sea, which is connected to the Mediterranean Sea via Suez Canal. The Red Sea is often seen in the news due to power rivalry among different states including USA and China. The Red Sea is occasionally populated by extensive blooms of the algae Trichodesmium erythraeum, which upon dying off turn the sea into a reddish-brown color. The Red Sea is a narrow strip of water that lies in fault depression between Asia and Africa. It extends southeastward from Suez, Egypt, to Bab al-Mandab Strait. The Bab al-Mandab connects the Red Sea with the Gulf of Aden and thereafter to the Arabian Sea. The countries bordering the Red Sea are Egypt, Sudan, and Eritrea to the west, and Israel, Jordan, Saudi Arabia, and Yemen to the east and northeast. The Gulf of Suez and Gulf of Aqaba can be considered northern reaches of the Red Sea. They are separated by the Sinai Peninsula, which is a part of Egypt and connects Africa to Asia. The Suez Canal connects the Red Sea to the Mediterranean Sea and thus provides a more direct route between the North Atlantic and Northern Indian Oceans. The Suez Canal was constructed during 1859 and 1969. Moving on to the Black Sea, which is connected to the Mediterranean Sea through the Bosporus Strait, Sea of Marmara, and Strait of Dardanelles. The Black Sea has been in the news often ever since the Russian annexation of Crimean Peninsula in 2014. Crimean Peninsula is located in the northern part of the sea. Recently, there was an incident involving Russian and Ukrainian navies in the Strait of Kerch, which connects the Black Sea to the Sea of Azov. The Black Sea is a large inland marginal sea of the Atlantic Ocean. It is connected to the Atlantic Ocean through a series of seas and straits, primarily the Bosphorus Strait, Mediterranean Sea, and the Strait of Gibraltar. Starting from the north and moving in clockwise direction, the Black Sea is surrounded by Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Turkey, Bulgaria, and Romania. It is supplied by a number of major rivers such as the Danube, Dnieper, Southern Bug, Dniester, Don, and the Rhine. It is to be noted that Danube is Europe's second longest river after Volga. The Black Sea plays a very important role for the trade of Eastern European countries with the rest of the world. Organization of the Black Sea Economic Cooperation promotes multilateral political and economic cooperation aimed at fostering peace, stability, and prosperity in the Black Sea region. Its member states are Albania, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bulgaria, Georgia, Greece, Moldova, Romania, Russia, Serbia, Turkey, and Ukraine. Now looking at Caspian Sea. Recently, 5 countries bordering the energy-rich Caspian Sea met at an economic forum hosted by Turkmenistan in a bid to agree on how to divide the region's oil wealth. Caspian Sea was also in news due to Convention on the Legal Status of the Caspian Sea, which was signed by its littoral states. The signed convention gives the Caspian Sea a special legal status, which means it is neither defined as a sea nor a lake. Being defined as a sea would have made it obligatory to be governed by the United Nations Convention on Law of the Sea. Being defined as a lake would have made equal distribution of resources among the littoral states. Now, the convention provides a formula for dividing up its resources based on the length of their coastlines. It further prevents outside powers from setting up a military presence there. Caspian Sea is the largest saltwater lake on Earth by both area and volume. And like many lakes, it does not feed into an ocean. However, it is sea-like in its size and depth. Looking at its location, it lies between Asia and Europe, and multiple rivers empty into it. The Volga and Terek flow in from Russia, while the Ural and Kura flow in from Kazakhstan and Azerbaijan respectively. Volga is the longest river of Europe. Starting from the north and continuing clockwise, its bordering countries are Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Iran, and Azerbaijan. The Caspian Basin and surrounding areas are rich in hydrocarbons, oil, and natural gas reserves. Different species of sturgeon, the fish that yields the highly prized delicacy caviar, are found in its water. Now we are looking at South China Sea. South China Sea has been in the news recently because of assertive policy of China and tensions between China and other countries. There is also tension between the US and China over the South China Sea and China's policy hurting India's interest. One of the main contention is on the Thitu and Spratly Island chain in South China Sea. China lays historical claim over the entire South China Sea and has delineated this through the 9-dash line. However, the 9-dash line overlaps with maritime and territorial claims or possessions of other countries. This claim was also rejected by an arbitration ruling of the UN Convention on the Laws of the Sea. Moving in the clockwise direction, apart from China, the other littoral countries of the South China Sea are Philippines, Malaysia, Brunei, Indonesia, Singapore, and Vietnam. The territorial disputes of China in South China Sea are over Spratly Islands with Vietnam, Malaysia, the Philippines, and Brunei, over Paracel Islands with Vietnam, and over Scarborough Shoal with the Philippines and Vietnam. The South China Sea is a marginal sea of the Pacific Ocean. Marginal seas are the large basin of salt water that are connected to the open ocean by one or more fairly narrow channels. The South China Sea and East China Sea together form the China Sea and are linked together by the Taiwan Strait. On its west, the South China Sea opens to the Indian Ocean through the Malacca Strait, and on its east, it opens to the Pacific Ocean through Luzon Strait. Also, it is connected to the Java Sea through Karimata Strait. The Gulf of Tonkin is the northern arm of South China Sea and is located between Vietnam and China. Major rivers that drain into the South China Sea are Mekong and Red rivers from Vietnam, Pearl and Min rivers from China. Mekong is the third longest river of Asia after Yangtze and Yellow rivers, all of which originate from the Tibetan Plateau. Summer typhoons are frequent in the South China Sea. This sea has strategic, economic, and political importance. It's the main route connecting Indian and Pacific Oceans. Also, it has huge deposits of oil and natural gas and a very rich fishing ground. Now, we will look at East China Sea. The East China Sea has been in the news as China created a dispute with Japan over Senkaku Island located in the sea. The East China Sea is a marginal sea of Western Pacific Ocean located directly east of East China. The East China Sea is bounded in the north by the Yellow Sea, which is located between mainland China and the Korean Peninsula. The East China Sea southeast by the Japanese island of Kyushu and Rikuku Islands, and the south by the island of Taiwan. It connects with the Sea of Japan in northeast through the Korea Strait, the South China Sea in the southwest via Taiwan Strait, and the Philippine Sea in the southeast via gaps between various Rikuku Islands. Countries with borders on East China Sea include South Korea, Japan, Taiwan, and the People's Republic of China. The Yangtze River, Asia's longest and world's third longest river, flows into the East China Sea. Some of the disputed islands and reefs located in East China Sea are Senkaku Islands or Diaoyu Islands, over which China has created a dispute with Japan recently. Socotra Rock, also known as Suyan Rock or Evo, is a subject of exclusive economic zone dispute between People's Republic of China and South Korea. Now, we will look into the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea was in news as cyclonic activity has increased in it, and in June 2020, Cyclone Nisarg was witnessed. Climate change is believed to be the prominent reason for frequent occurrence of cyclones in Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea was called the Erythraean Sea in Roman times. Arabian Sea is a region of northern Indian Ocean bounded on the north by Pakistan and Iran, on the west by Gulf of Aden, Gaddafi Channel, and Arabian Peninsula, on the southeast by the Laccadive Sea, on the southwest by the Somali Sea, and on the east by India. The Arabian Sea has two important branches: the Gulf of Aden in the west, which connects the Arabian Sea to the Red Sea through the Strait of Bab el-Manda, and the Gulf of Oman to the northwest, connecting it to the Persian Gulf. Basin countries of Arabian Sea include India, Pakistan, Iran, UAE, Oman, Yemen, Somalia, and Maldives. Major seaports located along the Arabian Sea include Kandla Port, Okha Port, Mumbai Port, Nhava Sheva Port, Marmagao Port, New Mangalore Port, and Kochi Port in India, the Port of Karachi and the Gwadar Port in Pakistan, Chabahar Port in Iran, and the Port of Salalah in Oman. The largest islands in the Arabian Sea include Socotra in Yemen, Masira Island in Oman, Lakshadweep in India, and Astola Island in Pakistan. Gulf of Kambat and Gulf of Kutch are the gulfs on the Indian coast being part of Arabian Sea. Kandla, one of the busiest ports of India, is located on the Gulf of Kutch. Now we will discuss about the Persian Gulf. Persian Gulf has been in news due to rising tension between Iran and the US after the killing of Qasem Soleimani, the head of Iran's Revolutionary Guards. It is an extension of the Indian Ocean through the Strait of Hormuz and lies between Iran to the northeast and Arabian Peninsula to the southwest. Persian Gulf is surrounded by Iran, Oman's exclave Musandam, the United Arab Emirates or UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Bahrain, Kuwait, and Iraq. The Gulf is home to many islands such as Bahrain and Qashm Island, the latter being the biggest island in the Persian Gulf and belongs to Iran. The other major islands in the Persian Gulf include Greater Tund, Lesser Tund, and Kish, administered by Iran, Rubian, administered by Kuwait, Taraut, administered by Saudi Arabia, Dalma, administered by UAE. In recent years, many artificial islands have been created in the Gulf for tourist attractions, such as the World Islands in Dubai, and the Pearl Qatar in Doha. Euphrates and Tigris, two major rivers of the region, join near Kurna in Iraq to form the river Shat al-Arab, which empties into the Persian Gulf. Now we will discuss about Bering Sea. The Bering Sea has been in the news due to several drone exercises and military drills conducted by Russia near Alaska. Such military operations enhance tension between the US and Russia oftenly. The Bering Sea is named after Vitus Bering, a Danish navigator in Russian service who explored it in 1728. The Bering Sea is a marginal sea of the Pacific Ocean. It forms along with the Bering Strait. The Bering Strait divides two largest land masses on Earth, namely Eurasia and the Americas. Notably, the international date line passes through the Bering Strait. The Bering Sea is separated from the Gulf of Alaska by the Alaska Peninsula. The Bering Sea is bordered on the east and northeast by Alaska, on the west by Russian Far East and the Kamchatka Peninsula, on the south by the Alaska Peninsula and the Aleutian Islands, and on the far north by Bering Strait, which connects the Bering Sea to the Arctic Ocean's Chukchi Sea. Bristol Bay, which is a part of Bering Sea, separates the Alaska Peninsula from mainland Alaska. The Bering Sea ecosystem includes resources within the jurisdiction of the United States and Russia, as well as international waters in the middle of the sea, known as the Donut Hole. The interaction between currents, sea ice, and weather makes for a vigorous and productive ecosystem in the Bering Sea. Now shifting our focus towards North Sea. The North Sea has been in the news due to sea level rise caused by climate change and global warming. Scientists have proposed the construction of Northern European Enclosure Dam, or NEED, enclosing all of the North Sea to protect the Northern European countries from sea level rise. Basin countries of North Sea are United Kingdom, particularly England and Scotland, Norway, Denmark, Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, and France. The North Sea is an epeiric or shelf sea on the European continental shelf. It connects to the Atlantic Ocean through the Strait of Dover and English Channel in the south, and to the Arctic Ocean through the Norwegian Sea and Greenland Sea in the north. The largest and most important rivers flowing into the North Sea are the Elbe, the Rhine, and the Meuse River. That was all for this episode of Places in News. See you soon, stay safe, and thank you.
To watch our videos in Hindi, subscribe to our Hindi YouTube channel Drishti IAS.